Hello everyone and welcome to the Sure Lock and Key channel. Do you have a key stuck in the lock? Or even worse, it broke in half? Don't worry about it. Sure Lock and Key will help you find the answer to the question, how to remove broken key from lock and get back inside without any problems. Hey there, a broken key in a lock can be frustrating. But before you call a locksmith, let's go over some quick DIY solutions. Keys break for a few reasons: wear and tear, debris buildup, or even temperature changes that cause metal expansion. If you find yourself with a broken key, here's what you need to do. First, check if part of the key is sticking out. If so, use tweezers or needle nose pliers to gently pull it out. Try a bobby pin or hairpin. Slide it alongside the key fragment and hook it out. Tap the lock gently with a hammer while shaking it. This might help loosen the broken piece. If your key is magnetic, a strong magnet might pull it out. Use a key extraction tool, available at hardware stores, to remove the broken part safely. Another trick is using super glue. Carefully dab a small amount on the end of another key or sturdy object. Press it against the broken key and let it dry slightly before pulling it out. Be cautious with this method to avoid glue spreading inside the lock. If none of these methods work, you might be dealing with a deeper issue. Sometimes, the key breaks too far inside the lock, or the lock itself is damaged. That's when it's best to call a professional locksmith. Now let's talk about preventing this headache in the future. Regularly lubricate your locks with a silicone-based spray. Inspect your keys. If they're bent or worn, get a new copy before they break. Avoid excessive force when turning your key. If a lock is sticking, it might need cleaning or adjustment. Schedule a professional lock checkup. Locksmiths can spot issues before they cause trouble. If you want to avoid key breakage altogether, consider upgrading to high-quality locks or even a smart lock system. These eliminate the need for physical keys and offer added convenience and security. Whether it's a stuck or broken key, these tips should help you out. If all else fails, Sure Lock and Key is just a call away. Visit our website for expert locksmith services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have locksmith questions. Stay safe and keep those keys in good shape.